G'day guys, Bailey here from Gold Coast Boating Centre. We're out on the beautiful Tweed River today and we've got something very exciting. This is our all new Yellowfin 6200 folding hardtop. Now we are the newest Queensland dealer for Yellowfin plate boats and I'm very excited to take this one out and do a video for you guys. So we're going to jump through the boat, show you some of the features of folding hardtop, go through some of the options, have a little bit of a play out in the water as well. But if you do enjoy these videos, as always, we'd love if you subscribe, hit the like button below and we'll jump straight into it. So we've got this 6200 powered by the Yamaha F150 XC motor. Now, awesome thing about this Yamaha, it is integrated hydraulic steering. So we've got a really clean setup at the back. We don't have that big bullhorn ram in front of there anymore. It's all built inside the bracket of this motor. So it gives a very clean setup. We've got our two 6x8 gauges up there, which is our land gauges, gives us all our real-time fuel management. And we've got our 6x3 concealed control as well. Now at the transom of the 6200, we've got a great folding rear ladder here. Now it's a 3-stepper. Now it's great for if you are out diving as well and you need to get back up into the boat, just going a little bit deeper always helps. So we've got that nice 3-step, they're nice and wide too. And we've got these great rails. Yellowfin's really thought about the entry back into this boat. And there's 1, 2, even one up on by the bait board as well. So it gives you a maximum grip coming back into the boat, which is great. And I love this folding walk-through door as well. It just pops up, goes down. You don't have to take it out, you don't have to put it to the side, just goes up and down. It's really great. Little grip on there is too, so you're not gonna slip over, and great entry into the back of the boat. So the overall spec, we've got 6.2 meters in overall length on this 6200. Gives us a 2.4 meter beam, which is great for stability and the room inside the boat too. We'll jump inside later and show you all that. Does feature 6mm bottoms as standard, which is great. Gives you a nice soft ride, gives you great riding through the water, a bit of extra weight behind you. 4mm sides too, which is great. Huge side decks too. Now it's great even if you just wanted to walk through to the front of the boat, you can do it. But out on the back here, if you ever need to access your rods, grip comes standard. We've got a few rod holders on either side, cup holders on here, which we'll talk about our platinum pack later on this boat. Now standard on the 6200, you do get a 240 underfloor fuel tank. Match that with the Yamaha F150, you're gonna get great fuel economy. You've also got a 6-person capacity in this boat, so great to take the family out, maybe a couple of extra friends too, and go enjoy the day. Now, the main feature of the folding hardtop series is, of course, the folding hardtop. Very easy to fold. You've got a nut, bolt through here, one on either side, take those out, and the hardtop will actually fold back. So it's great for those people who are limited by a garage height or a carport height. Fold that back, you can get it under. We've also got 6 rod holders across the top there too. As I said before, you can jump up on the side decks, grab those. Little anchor light up there as well. So a lovely feature of this boat is, of course, the big 32mm heavy-duty bow rails, which start from about 3/4 of the way through, then you up right to the bowsprit itself. We've got our stainless sprit here, which is a nice finish. You've got the Yellowfin cutout logo there, but it just adds that extra strength running right to the front of the bow. Coming down, we've also got our catch latch, which we'll talk about later on the trailer, but a really nice deep anchor well too. So good size for if you want to put an electric winch in there. Nice big cross bollard here, but a great all-round finish. Nice welds running through the front. Now this is the Yellowfin trailer catch system. It's probably one of the easiest systems I've ever seen on a trailer catch. Pretty much just put your latch down, drive on up, catch. When you want to release, drive forward, it will undo itself, then you can drive off the trailer. But really simple design, and that lives right here on this little bow eye, right there on your boat. Now we've actually upgraded this folding hardtop with a great option from the Yellowfin factory called the Platinum Pack. Now what the Platinum Pack includes is your transom cutting board, your burley bucket, your cabin cushions and the backrest behind that, all the cabin carpeted lining for just that dampening of the sound, a saltwater deck wash kit, GX750 VHF radio, LED light kit, a 3/4 rear lounge and backrest, and 2 stainless steel sinker cups so you can put your sinkers in them. So great little option pack just to fill your boat, and actually works out a bit cheaper doing it that way too. Starting in the back left corner of the boat, we have got our live bait tank back there. So nice little hatch to access through there, and it drains as well. So once it reaches that height, it'll just automatically drain. We've also got a nice little window here so we can see the condition of the bait, which I love. Working across, we have got the transom cutting board, which is a part of our Platinum Pack, which I just spoke about. Nice 2 cup holders here, and you can put your sinkers in there, hooks, more 5 rod holders across the back. We have got the poly cutting board here, and a nice little area just for a bit of storage down here as well, and it does drain. A nice little tray beneath too. Working down, we have got the folding rear lounge on this one. So if you did want to take a few more passengers out, we've got the lounge here, backrest, which is nice up against the metal. And on the days that you don't need it, got these two legs here, folds down, and you can simply pull the whole thing out. So it is removable and just as easy to put back in. Now this is the hatch back here where we keep our batteries. We've actually got dual batteries set up on this one, and we've got our isolator just across to the side. It's actually a really great spot, really easy to access. Sometimes I just don't like those boats where you're trying to look around for an isolator switch. Sometimes it's under a hatch or it's under a gunnel. Nice and easy to get to. If you're out the boat, you're finished up, just jump up on the side, switch it off, easy as that. Now on this 6200, it is a self-draining deck, which is awesome, and especially on those days, I hope no one ever has to go through that, but if you do take waves over the boat, it can drain out through the back here. There's actually two scuppers out the back, and this has got the checker plate finish too. Now you can option it up. You can put a tube matting down there too. You could even do a sea deck flooring on top. So if you want a bit more extra grip and a bit of comfort, nothing beats that sea deck floor, but you do get that as standard, which is a great feature of this Yellowfin. Now as we move to the front of the boat, we've got these two great standard seats from the Yellowfin factory. Very comfortable. They've got the armrests on either side. You can see those there. Great grab rails again, so if you are moving through the boat, you can just grab onto those seats. They do rotate, and then you've got the great little footrest feature down there too. So if you're casting a line out the back, having a drink, it's just nice to relax up here. We just fold it back around, and that's the same seats on both sides too. You do get the standard, the seat box is standard, and you get a nice little hatch under there too for a bit more extra storage. Now this is the dash setup of the folding hardtop. It's a great setup. You've got like the multiple level system, which I do like having on the boat. You've got our cup holders here standard. Nice little carpeted spot here so you can leave your phone handy. But again, there is a dedicated spot for your phone, keys, sunnies, all inside here. It's not going to go anywhere, which is great. That's our two 6x8 land gauges, which I spoke about on the motor before, gives us all of our fuel management readings. This is our Volva Pentas, which are the trim tabs, which come standard on this Yellowfin too. So it gives you real-time operation if you need to make adjustments on the fly about the level of the boat. If you want the bow up or bow down, you can control that all through there. We've got our Garmin 95 SV Echo Map chart plotter here. Now there's plenty of real estate here for 2 screens, or if you wanted a bigger screen, totally up to you. You could totally run whatever you want on that. Plenty of room for it. Up here we've got like a nice flat area, and you can put like a carpeted mat there if you wanted to do that too, so you can keep more items there. And we've got great visibility on our lookout from the driver's station here. So again, main option for this is you probably want to get a front clear running through here. So on those days where it does turn a bit overcast, a bit nasty with the rain, you can just whack one of those up here. It's already provisioned, ready to go. You can see how all our little rails are up here. Again, nice little grab rail here. And they've really thought about just the amount of grab rails, like again, for your passenger, one on here, you got the one up here, one on the actual hardtop itself. There's an array of rails there, so you're always feeling comfortable. And again, we've got the footrest on the back, we've also got them on the front. So while you're on the way, just nice to have your knees up, and that's for the driver and the passenger too. Now the main feature of having a cab boat is of course that cabin. It's a great size too. Now I'm 6'2", and I can extend all the way out comfortably. I can put a middle board through here as well as an option, and you can put another cushion onto there so you've got that maximum layout area. But it's a good size. It's huge visibility thanks to the standard front hatch, and you can jump out the front of the boat through there too. Now you've also got great storage on these bunks either side, one here and one through here, so you can put like little bits and pieces, life jackets, any of that. And part of our platinum pack too is the cabin lining, so it just dampens that sound a bit more. Actually also takes a bit of the heat out from the sun on those days where you just want to sit inside here. Now also part of the platinum pack, what you do get inside this cabin is the little LED light here. So and if you're out night fishing, just gives that illumination. The cabin lining. And as standard, you do get these nice storage rails through here too, so you can just put a bit more extra if you've got fenders. Probably a great little spot to put those, and just some extra bits and pieces. So great all-round storage from the Yellowfin team. They've really thought about it, and it's a great cab. So great freeboard height on this Yellowfin, comes up way past my knee, so I do feel comfortable if I'm out doing some jigging over the side. That comes up really nice. You've also got, as I said before, the grip on there, so if you want to jump up to the top, get your rails, great as standard. And part of our platinum pack too is our deck wash system. So flick the button up there, hose it down, and this is self-draining deck as well, so you can just hose down all the mess and it just drains right out through the back of the boat. So that's the Yellowfin 6200 folding hardtop. Now, if this is a boat that you may be interested in, hit us up down below. You can find out more in the links description down in the bottom of the video. You can see this model. You can even send us a message as well and we can price one up for you. But if you need any more information, give our team a call, drop a like on this video below, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.